What do you got there, David?
Well, we're taping up the last pieces we need, um, so we could finish everything, so we could start shooting the Raptor.
Where's your cousin?
Well, he didn't have time, so he couldn't come. Then, so it was just a little bit left. So I told him that I was gonna finish everything.
So you're just gonna take care of it?
Yeah.
All right.
You know what? Let me help you, David, so we can get this car steering ready. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done papering up and taping. All we're going to do now is just blow some air on the vehicle so all the dust can fall out and clean it with paint thinner and get ready to shoot the Raptor. Alright David, so we're going to spray your first card. Let's see how it comes out. Alright guys, so we let it dry for 45 minutes. Now we're just going to give it the second coat. Alright guys, so that's the second coat. Got rid of the striping, so it looks pretty good. All we're going to do now is just let it sit there for 5 minutes for it to dry, come back, take off all the paper and tape, show you guys how it looks.
Now we finished Raptoring the car. Now we're gonna start taking off the tape and the wheel protectors.
Alright guys, so David here is done with the Mustang. The customer wanted a black on black. We did a Raptor on the whole vehicle, and we did a very thin Raptor on the side skirts and the spoiler, which gives it a good contrast. It makes it stand out. So David's pretty much done with this vehicle. What the customer is going to do next is he's going to take his car down to our friends in McAllen, Lopez Wheels and Tires, to get hooked up with some wheels and tires, of course. So guys, pretty much it for this one. You go ahead, take a look, see how it looks.
Is that right, David? Let's check this out.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this one. Hope the customer really likes the way this vehicle came out. Once again guys, thank you for your support. Like and subscribe.
And subscribe.